We are back in Las Vegas 2022 after 3 long years. Innovation continues to drive the future of our industry at an accelerated pace. Fast, furious, and constant, we have everything you could possibly imagine right here at NAB. Hi, I'm Ashley with In Broadcast. Joining me is Tod Musgrave of Marshall. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. So, you have a lot of new things here at your booth this year. Can you tell me a little bit about what's going on over here?
So what we're showing here is our entry-level PTZ. So this is something that starts off full HD but under $900. We have SDI versions with HDMI and IP, and then we have USB versions for people to go for conferencing and video streaming, that kind of thing. Also our POV line, have a couple new models in POV. We have a global shutter sensor, a rolling shutter, all of them with Genlock, tri-level sync, and very good video quality. We also have our PT head that to have movement to POV cameras. Here I have it with the 355 10X, so it's kind of a small full PTZ setup. Okay. But a lot more to show. We're glad to be here this year.
So you have 3 different setups, is that right? So that's this one, and then what's some things that you've noticed that we could be seeing with trends and upcoming things in the future? Do you have anything that you're showing here that would go along with that?
So over another pod we'll be showing that shortly is our NDI platform. So NDI has grown in popularity. It's very low latency, high video quality IP essentially. So we'll have a high bandwidth NDI with a 730 BHN. Also standard HDI and HDI HX. Yeah.
Very cool. And so for people that want to get more in depth for this, want more information, what's your website they can go to?
It's marshall-usa.com. All of our new camera models and the breadth of the existing models are available there.
Very good. So thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you.
Thank you.